Hi everyone, Lisa Tamati here, and today I just wanted to talk to you about the importance of proper diaphragmatic breathing in regards to your running. Now I've got a little exercise for you to do as well. Now if you're getting problems with side stitches, or you're feeling like you're gasping, you're hyperventilating when you're running, you're really having trouble, then try this exercise. I want you to start doing some diaphragmatic breathing in your daily routine. Typically I like to do this before I go to bed, for example, because when you actually do some deep breathing into the belly, so we're not talking about into your chest and using the upper third of your chest, but really getting a conversation going with your diaphragm. And the best way to do that is to nose breathe, and to breathe in really, really deeply into the nose, making sure that your stomach is pushing out so you can see it going out. Forget all the trying to be slim, ladies, and holding your stomach in. Let the stomach go out and then pushing it back out. You can breathe out through the mouth, but in through the nose is important if you can. Now, I've always struggled to breathe through the nose, so I know that that can be an issue for people if they've got sinus issues, or they've got blocked noses or broken noses or anything like that. But if you can, I want you to do some walking or even running exercises while just breathing through your nose, nice and calmly, deep breaths in and out. You won't be able to go very far or very fast for starters, but if you can do that for 5 minutes at the beginning of your run, that would be really, really important, and build it up over time as you get stronger and that muscle and that conversation with the diaphragm gets more involved. So to give you an example, I've been working with my mum on this, and she has never breathed deeply. She's never really been able to locate her diaphragm, and through doing some yoga work and some deep breathing exercises, we've made, even at the age of 76, we've been able to activate that diaphragm and get it pulling in and out, and her stomach's going out and it's coming back in again, and she's feeling a lot more calmer. Now, this is one of the big benefits too when you do this diaphragmatic breathing. It's a fantastic thing if you're having trouble with sleeping, getting to sleep at night, doing some deep breathing exercises. I like to do a rhythm of counting in for 5, holding for 7, and then breathing really deeply out. And the out is the very important part. I find that's when I really start to relax. Breathing out for 8 and then holding for 4. So you're going 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay? Now you can also do something like box breathing, which is like 5 in, 5 hold, 5 out, and 5 hold again. There's many different types of breathing routines that you can get into, but if you can just start having a conversation with your breathing abilities, trying to get your diaphragm to work better, it'll benefit massively your ability to run faster and stronger and to breathe correctly. If you're a beginner runner, this is really important, because typically a lot of beginners have trouble. They get out of breath very quickly because they get all panicky and they just start to hyperventilate. And I've seen that a lot of people going, I can't even run to the letterbox, I can never run. Actually, they just need to sort their breathing out. So I hope this little video has been really good for you. We're breathing all the time, and this is one of the other things that we are breathing. Well, of course we're breathing all the time, but what we're doing wrong is that we are often sitting very slumped over desks, with our shoulders forward, looking down at phones all the time, and that doesn't promote good breathing hygiene, if you like. So you have to have good posture when you're going to breathe deeply. It makes you sit up more straighter, it makes you pull your shoulder blades back, relax your shoulders, and concentrate on it. So it has other knock-on effects as well. So, we're breathing like 16 times a minute or something. So it's really important. If you don't breathe throughout the day properly, when you actually go to run, you won't be doing it any better, and then your running won't improve. So a little tip for today. I hope that helps, and we'll see you again soon.